Come, my pretties, have some chili, if you dare. Come. Come.
What do you mean?
Hi, welcome to the US Classic Muscle Cars. We're proud to invite you today to the Elburn Classic Car Show. This is the 24th year that we're having this show, and before me is my car that my husband restored for me. It's a '69 Dodge Coronet 500.
Welcome to the Elburn Lions annual All Wheels Fall Festival Car Show. We present this every year. This is our 24th year. We are doing this to benefit breast cancer research and the veterans. This year, that's our two main focuses for charities for this event. We've had a great turnout today, over 400 cars. A lot of happy people, a lot of car variety, and there's just a whole lot of things to look at. So think about coming out next year. Thank you. Please enjoy the next video.
Hi, my name's Bruce. This is my '63 Corvette. I've owned it for 38 years. Did all the work on it myself except the paint and the top. Everything's brand new on the car. Frame up restoration. Took me a year to put it together after I had it painted 6 years ago. Drive it all the time. Drives like a brand new car.
And then tell us what type of paint that you have on.
Oh, the color is original mix, a Riverside Red. It's a '63 Corvette color. It's base coat, clear coat.
Miller to the t-shirt tent, please.
Had it done 6 years ago, and it's held up remarkably well. Well, certainly.
Okay, guys, if you want your balance to count, it's got to be turned back in by 1:30.
That is so nice.
After 1:30, balance will not be counted.
To the radio being on the vertical?
The radio being on the verticals was a Corvette thing because they made the seat wells deeper, so there's more leg room, and so they had to put the radio vertical rather than horizontal like it had done in earlier years.
Right.
The car's 100% built to be original interior, original seats, carpeting, everything on the car. There's no aftermarket hot rod parts in the car at all.
That's amazing. That is amazing. Beautiful. How does the car drive?
The car drives like a brand new car. I'm not lying to you. Go down the road, 65 miles an hour, you don't even know it's running.
Wow. I would imagine that you won several awards.
At this show last year, I won Best of the Best. I was the final winner of the best of all the cars here.
And then do you let your better half drive it?
My better half doesn't drive a stick shift.
She's the buffer and the waxer.
No, I just look at it.
Incredible detail. And is this a factory red or is this a red that?
This is a factory package mix. It's not from the factory. It's mixed at a paint store, but it's identical formula to '63 color.
How many car shows do you go to?
Too many.
And then do you have other cars that you?
I'm building a car right now for my wife.
Can we find out what it is?
Oh, the car is going to be is a 1951 Henry J.
Oh wow, you are loyal.
Yes, I am.
People that want to keep cars for longevity, how to take care of them?
Well, the best way is to take care of them, keep them clean, keep them inside, keep them out of the sun. The colors will fade bad. Originally, the car was all faded out when I bought it. It was 16 years old and it was terrible shape.
Can we take a look at the engine?
Okay, I need Tom Quinn. Tom, you park your vehicle, please. Tom Quinn, you park your vehicle, please.
All right. So, talk to us about
The motor is a 327, 340 horse factory. Everything is factory on it. That's the horsepower it had in 1963. It's got all the right parts on it. Everything looks just like it came from the factory in 1963.
Wow. So were you always a Corvette?
Always.
Look at that smile on your face.
Always.
That's the answer right there. I can see it. I can see it. So what are some of the other vets that you like?
Well, I like 53 and 4 and 57 are some of my favorites. They're a little bit out of my price range, but still like to look at them and go around by them.
Hubcaps?
The hubcaps on the car are factory hubcaps that came with the car. It has radial tires on it. I had the original tires on it for 5 years, but they rode so terrible that I put the radials on it this year.
Just to enjoy it, right?
Yeah, it's a
You gotta go, right.
it was scary driving.
I bet you probably have to go, it would probably stick back and forth, right?
Oh. Thanks for watching. Hope you're interested in my car, and I hope Tom can take other cars and show them to you, because cars are where it's at.
Thanks, and don't forget to subscribe and like for our next video.
Please, please, please subscribe. We appreciate it.